Hello, this is Michael from Coreon. Quick review on our MKS2LLOD project. The challenge is, or may I say was, to make terminology resources easily and in real time available via the methods of the Semantic Web. In this project, we've researched and delivered the technology, how this can be done with Coreon, which we call MKS, a multilingual knowledge system, which is a concept system driven way to manage terminology. The challenge. Accessing terminology with the methods of the Semantic Web means using protocols such as Sparql, syntaxes such as RDF. Knowledge graph solutions, they do this usually, but they are, and our customers confirm this, not suitable for multilingual terminology. Whereas to our knowledge, all available off-the-shelf terminology tools do not provide Sparql and the like. They all come with proprietary APIs, but not Sparql. That means the only way so far for these applications was to send terminology, i.e. TBX files around, convert them, transform them, and import them into a separate triple store that provides Sparql endpoints. This is effortful, troublesome, and expensive, and very important, a lost opportunity for all the terminology resources and their maintainers. So in this project, we've enriched Coreon, which had and continues to have a rich REST API with a nice looking UI, but we've enriched Coreon to support semantic web developers and to showcase this via the ELG. Concretely, we've enriched Coreon with a Sparql endpoint and integrated this into the ELG hub. Let's have a look at the building blocks before the project. So these are the building blocks before the project. So a typical several layers deep cloud-based solution with middleware, data store, identity management, search indices, etc. And now in this project, we've added a major new component, namely a triple store with a Sparql endpoint. Let's inspect this piece, this module a bit closer, which was the focus of this project. So what was required to get there? So the first step, we've researched and analyzed how to model Coreon's data, which is, by the way, close to TBX, in an RDF-like subject predicate object triple data model. Then we've researched and experimented and enriched our middleware logic to mirror all these data objects into a triple store. We've equipped the Coreon cloud with it. So that means that if desired, all instances of our customers' servers can automatically deploy this feature, this module. You can imagine this was quite a step. Then to make the access as easy and fast via Sparql, we've enriched, or may I say, reworked our internal authentication modules to also accept API key-based authentication instead of up to now today's more complex handling of typical request response-based user session tokens. And last but not least, together with the ELG developers, the staff, we've developed a TryOut integration UI that runs within ELG. We were, well, probably so to say, the first and the test candidate for now also supporting Sparql-driven services in ELG. So many thanks to the people in Sheffield particularly, and also in Greece, to get this all running. We hope that other Sparql solutions will now soon show up in ELG. Okay, with MKS2LLOD delivered, now our users, developers, they can query Coreon repositories with Sparql. And today for one, but more to come, a first impression how this works can also be seen via ELG. So we are listed there. And we hope that with this showcase and how to do this, we encourage also others to follow, make multilingual terminology a resource for the semantic web. So a bit the summary and outlook, what we've delivered, you have seen, you have heard on the previous slides, a bit an outlook. Well, most of our customers today are private businesses. This is often confidential, pre-release or IP protected knowledge. So they rather can rarely share their data to the public. But for many of them, Sparql helps to easily and fast bring their multilingual knowledge into other internal business processes, thus fostering the value of terminology and the work of the people behind. We will encourage them to publish, and if so, provide the resources via the ELG gateway. And last but not least, and this is full speed in progress, modeling terminology into RDF triples and bringing this into production quality was quite a project for us. But I'm happy to confirm that this is now also being settled, or these experiences, as a standard, concretely as an ISO technical recommendation within the ISO TC 37 SD3 committee. I am the project leader of that initiative, and whoever has questions, please get in touch with me on that project. So thanks again to ELG for supporting this project. Without the funding, we certainly wouldn't be so far, so fast, and with so much focus there. The ELG support was the definite enabler for doing this. Thank you very much.